Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the 5 elements that you need to make your images look light and airy. Number 1 is background, and this is a huge one. So background plays a really huge role in how your images are going to look. Ideally, you want to choose a background that is simple and light colored. So that could be something like a white building or a gray building, or if you're shooting with more trees, you want to choose trees that have lighter colors. So if you're looking at your trees in your background, just look at the different shades of green there are, and you want to go for the lighter colored trees. You want to avoid dark colored buildings, maybe brick buildings, dark colored trees, and definitely those tree trunks. Number 2 is light. You want to choose really pretty clean light. So this could mean that you're backlighting your subjects, which just means that the sun is going to be behind your subjects. And you want to make sure that that sun is being diffused by either a tree or a building. And ideally, you would like to have some type of natural reflector that's pushing some light back up onto your subject's face. So, for example, if you are in an urban environment, that could be just a white wall that's off to the distance, just reflecting some light back onto your clients. Or it could be just a sidewalk, or if there's a driveway with maybe some white rocks, that would also do the trick. Now, when you're looking for really good light, you could either diffuse that backlight like I just mentioned, or if there's nothing to diffuse the light, what you can do is actually angle yourself so that the light is about 45 degrees off to one side or the other. And that's going to make sure that sunlight is not going directly into your lens, which is going to cause a lot of haze. All right, number 3 is camera settings. So you want to have a lower aperture. Typically, I shoot my portraits at about 2.0. Sometimes I even go all the way wide open to about 1.4. It just kind of creates really pretty distance between your subject and the background, and it's going to create that really pretty dreamy bokeh. When you're exposing, you want to make sure you're exposing for your client's skin tone. Now, what I typically do is I overexpose just a tiny bit. I find that that gets me the really pretty, creamy skin tones. Okay, number 4 is clothing. So like background, clothing plays a really big role in how your images are going to turn out. Ideally, you want your clients to wear light colored clothing. So this could be neutrals like whites, beige, gray, or it could be a lighter color like blush or blue. When my clients book with me, I actually send them an engagement style guide, and it just gives them a ton of advice on how to pick their outfits, including what colors look best on camera. That way, when they're choosing their outfits, they know that their images are going to look like the ones that are on my website. Okay, the last one, number 5, is your editing. So with light and airy images, typically you are going to increase your shadows, you're going to bring down the contrast, and you're going to bring down the highlights. I actually edited a full demo on how I edit my images to look light and airy, so make sure you click the link at the top and go watch that video. Okay, those are the 5 elements that you need to achieve light and airy pictures. If you haven't already, click the like button and subscribe. I'm going to be putting videos out just like this every week, and I don't want you to miss them. See you next time.